Ta-da! Here we are in the back. So, got some projects going on here, so it's not quite as clean as we'd like. But here is where we work. So you can see we've got workstations set up and lots of projects going on. So, fan, very important in this weather. Right now it's pretty quiet, but in about 10 minutes it's going to be bustling with activity when all the Sprucettes arrive. So here is our sewing machine where we do all of our sewing. And here is our mascot slash inspiration, Chris Isaac. This is where we keep all of our foam. This is where we keep extra fabric and furniture to be redone. And you'll notice here the beautifully painted wall. And there's Pixie! Pixie! So this is about it. 360-degree view of where the Sprucettes spend their time. Ironing board, very important. And last, I'm just going to show you the tools. It takes a lot of tools to do what we do. And here they all are, nice and organized, thanks to Amanda and Lizzie. So I'll turn one more time. I hope you're not getting too dizzy. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.